Let's go. Let's get that water out of the hole. Come
So
on.
this is our dog Pistol. She's trying to locate the break in the irrigation line.
Cheap labor.
We turned the water on and found a leak.
Oh, there we found the pipe, Pistol.
Now we turned it off, and there's one pipe there. We need to find the other end.
Come on, cheap labor. Let's get this done.
She gets paid well. She gets food and lodging and love. And I think she's having fun. Watch out for her paws.
I know.
She's also a mole catcher.
Have her look at you.
Pistol.
Good job. Cheap labor.
So you have to keep digging till you find the rest of the pipe. We got to get that water drained out of there so we can see what's going on. Enjoy.